Google has urged Europe's highest court to reject an appeal by EU competition regulators.
This after a lower court last year overturned a $1.7 billion antitrust fine against the company. The case is the latest chapter in Google's long-running legal battle with the European Union over its dominance in the online advertising market. The dispute centers on a fine imposed by the European Commission in 2019. The Commission accused Google of using restrictive clauses in contracts with website publishers to prevent rival search engines from placing their advertisements on those sites. Regulators said the practices ran from 2006 to 2016, helping Google strengthen its dominance in search advertising through its AdSense platform. Well, Google removed the disputed contract terms in 2016.
Then in 2024, the EU's General Court cancelled the fine, ruling that the European Commission had made errors in its assessment of the case. The Commission has now appealed that decision, taking the dispute to the Court of Justice of the European Union, the EU's highest court, that is. Google's lawyers told the court that the Commission's new arguments are flawed and said that the lower court's reasoning was clear and legally sound. The company also urged that regulators ignored evidence showing rivals had meaningful opportunities to compete. The European Commission disagreed, saying that the lower court had imposed an unprecedented legal burden on regulators and even warned that its reasoning could make exclusive contract clauses appear lawful by default. A court advisor is expected to issue a non-binding opinion now in November, with a final judgment likely in the months after that.
The AdSense case is one of 4 major EU antitrust actions against Google, which have resulted in a total of 9.5 billion euros in penalties over the past 2 decades. The lower court's decision to overturn the AdSense fine was seen as a rare legal setback for the European Commission.